Hello and welcome to another video of the series Trixie Bunnies Tutorials. Now that you know how to send trixies and upload media, it is time to learn how to create your own trixies. Open the application and click on the Artelier, and then on Trixie Workshop. This is the place where you create trixies. First of all, you have to select from the drop-down list on the left-hand side whether you want the trixie to be static, animated or multimedia. Near the drop-down list you have 9 sections, but the number of the available ones depends on the type of trixie you are making. All of them are available only when multimedia is selected. For the static one you have preview, properties, background, text box and frame, and for the animated one you also have animation and text animation. To create a new trixie, click on the Properties tab, and then on the plus icon, found in the top left corner. Select Static from the drop-down list and click on the Background tab. Here you can pick the background color for your trixie, and its display size. From the next tab, you can choose if you want a background image and search for it in the library. After choosing a picture, go back to the Background tab and adjust its dimensions if necessary. Now go to the text box section and check the Use Text Box to make the tabs appear. The first 2 buttons allow you to add or remove text elements. All the created text elements are displayed under the buttons. Select the one you want to edit and click on the next tab. In the first box, type the text you want, and then pick a color, a font, the size and the style for it. Using the options from the Background tab, you can choose the background color, its opacity, the color and width of the border of the text box, and also the opacity of the text box. The next tab allows you to add a background image for your text box. The options available in the Size and Position tab will help you move and resize the text box in order to find the perfect place for it. The last tab from this section is for choosing when the text should be visible on the trixie. By clicking play, you will see a preview of the final trixie. Under it, you have a progress bar and multiple options. The first option shows for how long the text will be visible. The next one establishes after how many seconds it should become visible. And the next ones decide how long it should take the text box to fully fade in. From the last section you can put a frame on your trixie by checking the Use Frame box. From the first tab, choose a background color, which is something like a fill color for the frame, and the color and width of the frame. You can also choose a picture as a background for the frame by going to the next tab. Now that you customized your trixie, click on Preview to see the result. The slider from the top establishes the total duration of the trixie. Click play and enjoy. If you're happy with the result, go to the Properties section to save and share it. In this section, you have 5 buttons on top. The first one is for creating new trixies. The second one is the Save button. The third deletes the current trixie. The fourth creates a copy of it, and the last one is the help button. Under these buttons you have the title box and the prices, where you should insert a suggestive name for your Trixie and select a price for your Trixie both in Trixie bucks and in Brixie gems. Then, write at least 2 tags for your Trixie and choose at least one category and one subcategory suitable for it. In order to mark your selection, you have to click again on another category after picking the subcategory. Now check if you want to play the Trixie in a loop and if you want to publish it in your gallery. Also check the Share Your Trixie box if you want to allow others to publish your Trixie in their gallery. If you choose to have your Trixie sold in other people's gallery, you have to allow them to get a commission. Decide what's the percentage for the commission and type it in the sharing commission numeric box. If you click on the Trixie selfie button, you can see how the Trixie will look in the gallery. Click on the Save button and wait for your Trixie to appear in the column on the left-hand side. You've just created your first Trixie.